off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Taco Bell going 5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
I am the third car in line right now, so this might be a bit of a wait, which I guess I am okay with. I am on Earn by Time, and I'm still waking up, so maybe for the best. Why is this guy in front of me getting out of his car to knock on the drive-thru window? Very weird behavior, if you ask me. And now there's a car behind me too. So I couldn't leave even if I wanted to. I'm all sandwiched up. Currently 10 minutes past the estimated pickup time and still haven't moved. There's still one car in front of me. The guy that got out of his car to knock on the window. I wonder if he just annoyed them so much that they're ignoring him and in turn punishing everyone else in this drive-thru line. Probably not what's happening, but gotta create some drama somewhere. Thank you. You too. I'm not really sure what's happening here. Both the GPS are taking me to this apartment complex, but the address does not match the apartment complex address, so confused. Okay, they just texted me the gate code, so it might just be this place, but still doesn't make sense about the address. Because they didn't give me an apartment number, so I don't even know where I'm supposed to be dropping off, and I doubt the pin is accurate. Okay, they just gave me the apartment number. I am so confused. Also, I don't know where this place is because it is super dark. Okay, I'm just gonna hop out and start walking because I have no idea if I'm even close. Oh yeah, there you are.
Thank you.
Perfect. Yeah, I was so lost. I'm glad you found me.
This one.
Shirtless man approaches you in the middle of the night. What do? I give him my food. I don't know about you. Total for that one was $10. And we got the next order right away. This one's the human bean. This is going 2 miles. This one might just be coming right back in here because one of the regular human bean customers actually lives here. But I didn't really get a good look at the map, so we shall see.
There's that for you.
Thank you. Do you know what song that is?
What was that?
Do you know what song that is?
It's Glistening by Flip Turn.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay, yeah, I was right. It is going back there. And they do have the correct address. So I'm still confused. That whole first order was bizarre. Total for that one was just under $7. Pretty good, actually. That took like no time at all. Next up, we've got a Don Pedro going 4 miles. Never been here this early, so I don't know if the lobby's open yet. Let's go find out. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you are. Who would have thunk it? No tip on that one. Total was $4 and change. Next up, we've got a Wendy's. This one's $8 going 3 miles. This could be a really good order if it's ready on time. But as we all know by now, with Wendy's, that could be too much to ask for.
Welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you today? All right, give me one quick second. Let me check you in. What was the name again? Sorry, give me just a second here. Perfect. Second window, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nicely, thank you.
Thank you. Too much to ask for, apparently. That was almost a 10-minute wait. Oh, great. Now DoorDash wants to give it a shot. We've got a Wendy's going 4 miles. Total for that order was $8 and change. Pretty much the same as the previous Wendy's, actually. Ooh, this one probably is a mistake, but I'm gonna take it anyways, because it is slow again. Starting to think everyone's New Year's resolution was to stop ordering in? I'm not really sure what the terminology is there, but you know what I mean. We've got a stack going to the same person across the river. This is 9 miles. Cringe. We've got Voodoo Donut and Sherry's. Thank you. Thank you. I thought all the Sherry's had shut down. I guess not this one. Oh boy, they wrote me a whole essay for this one. Blah 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 blah. Call me to get the door code. You took the time to write all of this, but you want me to call you.
Yeah, you've reached Tommy. If you reached this message, then I was unable to get to the phone, and I apologize for that.
You've got to be kidding me. Okay. Total for that was $17. Get me out of here. Now. Making it back into my zone, and we got an order for Richland Hub. This one's going 4.5 miles.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Right there?
You too. I like how the only thing in their instructions is a phone number. Yeah, we are not calling. Sorry. I just realized I do need a gate code for this, so I'm gonna have to call them. Unless I'm lucky and this stays open. And we're in. Oh, this is going upstairs too? Yeah, we're definitely not calling. No tip, $7. And that's why I didn't call. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $9 going 4.5 miles.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. We've got an Angels. This one is $8 going 2.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you. Finally got the next order after waiting about 10 minutes. This is an alcohol pickup. This is $9 going 1 mile.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
Got this pretty much right away. It is a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Voodoo Donut and Taco Bell. $12 going 6 miles. Thank you. Thank you. I was a little worried there when I saw 20 items. Then I remembered it's Taco Bell, so 12 of those was sauce packets. Is that normal? Having to put the gate code on your way out? Cause I almost got logged in. Took me a second to remember it. Anyways, let's go home. I've got a banging headache and it's been brewing for a while. Ever since that one order that took me across the river pretty much. I thought I was tripping, but whatever that place was, I think it was some sort of old people rehab center, whatever it is, was completely doused in perfume, and I'm assuming that was intentional to mask the old people's stank. Enough yapping. Current time is 10:42. Current total, we are at 76, but I'm waiting on 3 Uber tips, which I'm assuming is going to bring it up to around 95, maybe a little bit more, not entirely sure. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next Bye.